Strength, precision, and innovation. These aren't just words. They define who we are. Welcome to JYOTI Enterprise, nestled in the industrial hub of Ahmedabad. Our journey began in 2003 with a vision to provide high-quality insulating varnishes, thinners, epoxy, PU resins, and hardeners, and specialties in customized products that bring strength to your products. Over the past 2 decades, we have grown exponentially from a modest production capacity of 200 tons per month to an impressive 3,000 tons annually. This growth is driven by our state-of-the-art facilities equipped with cutting-edge German and Indian technology and an unwavering commitment to quality control certified by ISO 9001-2015. Our dedication to excellence is validated by prestigious certifications including ISO, ERDA, ZED, and NABL. Every product undergoes rigorous testing to meet and exceed Indian standards, ensuring unmatched reliability and performance. At JYOTI Enterprise, innovation and quality go hand in hand. Our R&D center, recognized by the Government of India, is staffed by experts with advanced degrees in chemical engineering and business administration. Equipped with highly specialized machinery and industry-standard testing methods, our team continuously pushes boundaries, developing new molecules and delivering customized, value-added products tailored to your specific needs. To ensure consistent product quality, we rely on fully automated machinery and highly skilled production team. Stringent control measures are applied at every stage, from incoming material inspections to the final quality approval of finished products before dispatch. Our products power the electrical and chemical industries that demand nothing but the best. From electric motor to small, dry type and oil-filled transformer industries, amateur, fan manufacturer, and more. Our insulating varnishes and resins ensure durability and efficiency in every application. At the core of JYOTI Enterprise are our founders Mr. Bharat Bhai Jhala and Mr. Vipul Bhai Jhala, visionaries who believe that leadership is about creating opportunities for employees, clients, and communities alike. Today, JYOTI Enterprise serves a global clientele with a strong presence in markets like Dubai, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and UK. Our reputation for consistent quality and timely delivery has made us a trusted partner both domestically and internationally. JYOTI Enterprise, bringing strength to your products, trust to your partnerships, and innovation to your industry. Together, let us shape a brighter, more resilient future. Visit us at www.jyotivarnish.com.